Jamie at shopmasc.com and welcome to another MASC Minute. So today I thought I would talk about a hairstyling product that is quite different to all the other ones we have in terms of its consistency and texture. It's very unique. It's called the Evo Casual Act Molding Whip. There it is there. So this is a light hold, low shine product. As the name implies, it has sort of a whipped consistency or texture to it. So it is unique in that sense. So in terms of what it does, it's like a flexible hold product. So if you like sort of like a really loose feeling to the hair in the sense that you can reshape it or restyle it, then this might be a good choice. It has sort of a conditioning effect too. Two of the main ingredients are shea butter and cocoa seed butter. So it's very conditioning and nourishing for the hair, but it still allows you to add separation, texture, definition, and you can use it to really create any shape you want. So I'm gonna put some in my hair. My hair is blow dried right now, but you could put it in towel dried hair as well. It has sort of I may have used too much there, but that's like it's got like a white sort of texture to it. So I spread it in my hands first, and then I'm just gonna work it through my hair. Just like that kind of deal. I like to wear my hair sort of nice and tight like that, but if you wanted to have it more textured or separated, you could definitely do that as well with this product. It is water soluble as well, so it rinses really nicely out of the hair. And I'm going to be able to sort of reshape this throughout the day as needed if I want to do that. And then at the end of the day, I'm going to rinse it out of my hair before I go to bed. So that's it, the Evo Casual Act Molding Whip. Check it out, shopmasc.com, and of course, if you're in the store in Vancouver, you can see it here too. Thanks for listening.